In Germany, you have to fill a lot of form. So let's learn how to do it. But we will start it after reading this disclaimer. Let's continue now. So in a form you have to fill so many details. So first detail is Nama or name, that you all know, and your name can be either surname, which is called Naknama, and when only Nama is written, you have to write your surname. When you have to mention your first name, you say Nama. So then you have to write down your address, and in very formal way it is called Anschrift. And in German the addresses consist of street name, Straße, and then the number of house number, and pin code, which is Postleitzahl, PLZ, and the name of the city or the place, so it's Wohnort. Then you have to write your telephone number, and as we all know, the telephone number can either be a landline number or your mobile number, so you have to write down either telephone or mobile number is called Handynummer. So then you have to fill out Geburtsdatum. Geburt means birth and datum means date. So basically you have to write your birth date here, and then Geburtsort. So Ort means the place. So the place of the birth you have to fill in the form. Then comes Geschlecht, means you have to define your gender. So this can be either manlish or male, or weiblich or female. And then you have to write your confession or religion. So you can write Hinduismus or Christlich, or Protestant is called Evangelisch. And Muslim religion is also very famous here. So Islam you can write if you are a Muslim. And then it starts Angehörigkeit, means the nationality, and if you are an Indian you can write Indian here. Then comes the details about Familienstand, or the your family and family station, family position. I don't know, um, but I think you understand the it's called relationship status. So and then you have to write your relationship status. Either this can be single or ledig, or it can be married or verheiratet, or it can be divorced or geschieden, or it can be verwitwet or widowed. I repeat again, if you have to write single, you write ledig. If you are married, you will write verheiratet. If you are divorced, then you will write geschieden. And if you are widowed, then you can write verwitwet. And then you might have to write your Beruf, or your job, or the job position. And then your signature is called Unterschrift. You have to sign there, and when you sign somewhere, you have to obviously in the left hand corner write the place and the date. So Ort is called place, and datum is date. So that's all for today. I hope you are this video is going to help you a lot for filling the forms, and best of luck. Bye bye.